This is the Victorinox Huntsman. This is a multi-tool from Victorinox and it's made in Switzerland. So what features has this got to offer? It's got a large blade, it's got a smaller blade, it's got a saw, and I really like these because they're very sharp. It's got a scissors, which I love again. They're a nice size and very useful. It's got the can opener and a small flathead screwdriver. Here is the cat puller, wire stripper and large flathead. Here it's got the reamer, the punch, the sewing eye. It's got the hook, parcel carrier, and it's also got the corkscrew. There's a toothpick and a tweezers. Here's a Victorinox Switzerland stainless, rust free, and the tan of the blade. And on this side it says Officier Swiss, and there's a little crossbow and a Swiss cross. So that's the Huntsman from Victorinox. Another fine multi-tool that will give years and years of use and enjoyment.